Hello again, I'm John from Sauna on Location, and today we're going to continue our build with our awesome trailer and barrel sauna for 6 to 8 people. Today we are going to get some walls up in the door and then just keep wrapping and hopefully get this barrel built today. And if we're lucky, we'll get into getting the heating unit installed, which will be wood fired. So join us for a day of building. So hopefully we can deliver this to your event or property and let you enjoy it. There's nothing better than a sauna. This guy has saved me more times than I can count. Just a hair. Can you ever just move something just a hair is the question. Okay, so we just got our door set in place. I decided to do this one in 3-piece rather than try to get this whole thing up in here. We were supposed to have a half wood door and glass, but they've sent us 2 wrong doors. So at this point we're going to go with it. And glass kind of looks nice. Let's check it out from the inside. Yeah, maybe a little more daylight. I don't know. See how it does. Just wanted the wood for the travel purpose, but this is what we're going with. Looks nice. Alright, so we'll get this tacked together, get the 2 wall sides put on, and start continuing building walls. You can see now that we have both walls, front and rear, standing, and we have it braced across the top. We have it braced on the sides to keep us plumb, level. Everything's looking pretty good from here. Now we're just going to bring these walls up about halfway, and then that'll allow us to put our benches in, and much easier to do without having the upper part on to put the benches in and kind of stand and move around a little better. And then from there we'll start the second half of the barrel over the top. So now that we have our walls halfway up, we have our benches installed, we have our backrests installed, we have our door handle installed. We now need to complete the whole barrel, and from there then we can start with the installation of the heating unit and the roof. So back at it. Okay, so we have the other side rolled up to just a little bit left to go. Now we're going to bring this side up to match it. And once we do that, then we'll have these special filler pieces that will close in the last piece with. These benches in here are great. They're much bigger than ours. We have a 6-foot one in our backyard, which we use daily. These benches you can fully stretch out and lay down in. This will be a really nice sauna to rent and have in your backyard or your driveway or your event. Super spacious. So hope you folks enjoy it. Okay, well, we're calling it a day. We had another productive day. We have our whole barrel completed, walls up. Tomorrow we'll start with banding the barrel and then installing the heat unit and the chimney and finally the roof. So I don't know that we'll get through all that tomorrow, but it's coming to your driveway soon.